Now, are you a salaried employee wondering how to file your income tax returns? Don't worry. In just 3 minutes, I will show you how to complete step by step the process of filing your income tax return accurately and avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Collect your documents before you begin. Keep these documents ready. Form 16 from your employer, PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account details, interest certificates from bank, investment proof, if applicable, details of any other income like FD interest, rental income. Having this ready will make the filing easier. Step 2. Log into the income tax portal and visit the income tax e-filing portal. Log in using your PAN as a user ID and your password. Go to e-filing, income tax returns, file income tax returns, select relevant assessment year. Now, in this 2025 Act, it will be tax year, but that will operate next year. In the current year, it is still assessment year only, because you are going to file a return in respect of income that is up to 31st March 2026. So, still the old Act of 1961 will apply for your filing procedures. Okay. Now, choose the correct ITR form. Most salaried individuals with salary income, one house property and income from other sources can file in ITR 1. If you have capital gain, foreign income, multiple houses, properties, you may need to file a different ITR form. Choosing the correct form is very important. Verify pre-file details. The portal automatically imports many details. Carefully verify personal information, salary income, TDS deducted, bank interest, tax payment, bank account details, cross-checking everything with your Form 16 and annual information statement before the proceedings. Step 5. Claim deductions and verify tax. Claim eligible deductions under the applicable tax regime. Review your tax income, tax payable or refund. If any additional tax is payable, pay it before submitting your return. Submit and e-verify. Click Preview Return. Review every detail carefully and submit the returns and complete e-verification using Aadhaar OTP, net banking or your banking account. Your return is considered filed only after the successful e-verification. That's it. Filing your income tax return is simple. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Tax Talks by TNC Sridhar for practical tax guidance every week. If you have any question, leave them in the comment box. We'll answer them in our upcoming videos.